This video, how you can add a YouTube video link on Instagram. So let's get going. Activate your Instagram account. In the absence of one, on an Android smartphone, simply install the app from the Google Play Store, and then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I have opened my Instagram account. To add a YouTube video link on Instagram, first open YouTube to select any video. You can search any video from the search bar, but here I will just scroll down and choose any video. I will choose this video to add a link to my Instagram story. For this purpose, simply press 3 dots below the video. A pop-up will appear, where you will get the option to share. Simply press it. Another pop-up will appear, and below the apps, you will see the copy link option. Press it, and your link will be copied. Now go back to the Instagram account. Refresh it. When it's done, press your story from the upper left corner. Then choose any wallpaper you want to add. I will choose this one right now. Then from the upper bar, press the stickers option. You will get a variety of different stickers. Choose any of them. I want to add a link, so I will choose this one. Add the copied link to the URL. Press Done from the top right corner. The link is added now. Now press the Your Story option from the bottom left corner. Your story is added successfully. Press again Your Story option from the upper left corner. To check whether it's done or not, press that link to open it. Confirm the pop-up. After a while, the video link will open. See how easily you can add a YouTube video to an Instagram story. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.